All right, move the excavator down to sector 4. We need to clear this area for the next cut. All right, stop the excavator. I need this section cleared next. We're running behind schedule. Ensure this block is marked for transport immediately. It meets the criteria. All right, move the 240 down to level 3. We need that section cleared by noon. All right, move the excavator over to grid sector 4 now.
All right, time to move this section. Careful, it looks heavy.
All right, lift it slowly now.
Watch the chains.
Watch the chains. Guide it this way, keep it steady.
All right, easy now. Watch the alignment. Clear.
All right, hook it right there. Secured on my end. Ready for tension.
All right, pull tighter on that side. Okay, it's secure now. Let's move it.
Secure the left cable now. It's in place. All right, signal the crane.